Welcome to the assembly guide for the Lilly Walker, manufactured by Dash Toys. The box includes main body, toy tray, batteries, plastic nut, toy, parental handle, rattles. Take the main body, unfold the toy as shown. Fix the seat as shown. Open the battery cover. Insert the batteries as per polarity. Close the battery cover. Place the tray on the top as shown. Press the button to turn on lights and music. Fix the tray using a plastic nut as shown. Insert the rattles on the top. Insert the toy into the tray. Insert the parental handle on the top as shown. Fix it with a nut. Your baby walker is all set to go.